Hey guys, my name is Matilda and welcome to my channel. Well, today we're going to be creating this look you see right here, this concrete look. I hope you like it, and if you do, then keep on watching and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it. And let's get into the video. Now I'm going to start off by using this shade from my Zaron face definer. This is the shade I use to contour, and I'm going to be using it as my transition shade. So I'm just going to be applying it all over my crease, and I'll be extending it too because I'm going to be creating a cut crease, as you can see right here. Now I'm done with that. I'm going to go in with this shade, and this shade from my Jaclyn Hill x Morphe palette. I'm just going to mix it together and also apply it on my crease. Now I'm done. I'm going to go in with this shade and a pencil brush like this, and I'm going to also apply it all over my crease. Now I'm done. I'm going to go in with this fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend everything. Now I'm going to use my concealer to cut my crease. So when cutting your crease, you have to be very careful when doing that so you won't make any mistake. Now I'm just going to go back in with the concealer and just apply it all over my lid. Now I'm going to go in with this silver shade and I'm going to be applying it on the first part of my lid. Now I'm going to go in with this gold color here, and I'm going to be applying it on the outer side of my lid. When applying all this shade, always apply it in a tapping motion. Now I'm done. I'm going to go in with my liner and my lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my foundation, my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm going to be applying it using my beauty sponge, and always dampen your sponge before application so it will blend better. So now I applied my concealer, I'm going to be blending it. Now I'm going to be setting my concealer with my powder. Now I'm going to be contouring. Going to be highlighting. And this is the look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also share it. And if you want to see more of my videos, you can click here or here to watch my other videos. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.